Hey guys, happy weekend. We're going to do the market outlook video, and I'm going to show you how you can do this on the scanner. So I have a pre-saved filter of the sector, so sector outlook, and this is my list, and it's going to show me the current candle for the week. I want to know the week, so it's going to show me the current candle for all the sectors and kind of how they ended. You can sort them. So we have kind of a mixed bag. We only have one inside week name. We have 3 outside weeks. We have 8 2-up weeks and 6 2-down weeks. So it's kind of a mixed bag as far as setups are concerned for the sectors. Now, if you want, you can click on the ticker over here and it'll pull up the four grid chart with month, week, day, and 60. I prefer, for me personally, to use TradingView. I'm just faster at it, but we can see here. So we have a new week and new month starting on Monday, which is important to know. So we have a potential 2 down, 2 up month for XLE, and we have an inside week that can get that going. Just kind of want to show you how the scanner can work for you. Let's see. So we're going to go through my TradingView list real fast. So SPY, QQQ. All right. So SPY, QQQ, and DIA are all potential 2 up, 2 down shooter weeks. Okay. IWM is just a 2 up week. We'd be looking for a 2 down next week, which could trigger a monthly reversal. And then if we go to SPY, 2 up, 2 down week, kind of nowhere near triggering a monthly reversal, but we are at all-time high exhaustion risk. Same with Qs, 2 up, looking for the 2 down. Again, nowhere near triggering the month, but we are at exhaustion risk, all-time highs. DIA, same story. Okay, so XLE, we just covered. We have a potential inside week to trigger the 2 down, 2 up month. XLF, still just pretty stuck. Failed to hit magnitude last month on the 3 2 up, 2 down. We just have a 3 on the week. Not too clear on this one. We're stuck in this range, so I don't love it. XBI went inside week and up last week, nowhere near a weekly reversal, much closer to 2 up weekly continuation. Very strong. Came all the way back through this broadening formation, which we've been talking about for months. And we hit new all-time highs in October. And still going so far. So we'll see what they want to do. I would probably mark your high and your low because you're going to want to know if we go 2 up, 2 down. Because we know continuity and things can change on the first week of a new month. Gold potential 322 week. Silver potential 2 down, 2 up week. XLU a lot closer to continuing to the downside and potentially triggering a monthly reversal. XLB hit monthly magnitude last week. You had a double inside week and down last week, which hit your targets. There they are. 2x inside week, inside and down, puke. But nowhere near any kind of reversal on the week. or nowhere near any kind of reversal on the month, so likely continuation down. XLI, all-time high exhaustion risk with a red 2-up week, so looking potentially short that back through this big 3 candle. The dollar went double inside week and up, hit its magnitude. Still, we're targeting the quarterly trigger, which is 100. That is a different level on this chart. Interesting. We'll just call it 100. On my other chart, on my futures chart, it's 100.05. But still targeting that because of this broadening formation that we've had for a while. XRT did not hit monthly magnitude last month. Kind of we're stuck in this mother bar most of the month. They did just break below the mother bar, so we will see what happens with new continuity. Nowhere near a monthly reversal. XLP went 2 down continuation. We talked about this 2 up red week last week. Went 2 up, 2 down, hit all its targets. And if we keep going, it's coming for 75.61, logical target, major pivot. XLV, we talked about last week how we went 2 down, 2 up. We hit magnitude, and we said potential for profit taking. And they did get some profit taking last week, but didn't really do any damage. So potential for a 2 down, 2 up day to trigger a 2 down, 2 up week and continue higher. XLY closed as an inside month. We had a big 3 on the week, kind of stuck, not going anywhere until we can get outside of that big 3 week or trigger something on the month. So stuck. XLK, just like SPY and Qs, potential all-time high exhaustion reversal. 2 up, 2 down. SMH, same thing, potential all-time high exhaustion reversal. VIX ended the month as a shooter, but as far as the weekly is concerned, no actionable signal to trigger the monthly shooter. And if SPY and Q start puking, you've got a 2 down, 2 up week on the VIX to potentially get up to 21. If they really puke, 29. And Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit the bottom of the higher time frame broadening formation back here 2 weeks ago. They tried to go inside week and up, but failed, came back in, went outside bar. So they just stopped out these people, not the bottom broadening formation people. So potentially you have an inside day to get back up there. And maybe we could go 3-2 week. We still like all-time highs as a target, especially since we just took these lows and stopped people out and it's trying to go back through this range. And that's all I've got for you guys. Hope you guys had a good Halloween. And we'll see you Sunday night on the Ninja Trader Live stream at 6 p.m. Eastern.